So my power's out here, and I don't know. Felt like maybe this could be a good way to pass the time. I just had to set up some lights so I could see what was going on, and yeah, we got some Celebrations ETB. Because why not? Why not keep celebrating? My power's out, light setup going on. We got the packs. And we got a promo. Which actually looks pretty good. I noticed actually on my last promo that I had a little crimp error going on, which was kind of cool. But yeah, now we got this one. So we will take from it the packs that we want. Man, that's a good way to pass the time. Let's go Chilling Rain out of all those last. Let's split up the Darkness Blaze. And we'll do it that way. Darkness Blaze action. Kind of a ghetto light setup, but it's the best I could do. Nick it. Spike Muth. Arctazol. Okay. Battle Styles. Frillish, Bug, Roly-Coly, Onyx, Chimco, Fan of Waves, and a Stoutland V. I'd say out of cards, I'd be expecting to pull Stoutland V. Would rank probably near the end of that list. I don't think I've ever thought about a Stoutland V, but it is a hit. Very happy about it. We'll take it. Stoutland is actually a good Pokemon in the game. Skidoo. Whimsicott. Telescopic Sight. Big Voltage Code. Darkness Blaze. Q-Font, Dino, Pansier, Mareep, Snubble, Pinchargin. Okay, a Centiskorch VMAX. Nice. Nice. like the Scorch. Nice. Darkness Ablaze code there. Alright, so we're going into Chill and Rain as the last sort of bonus pack, which makes these ETBs very fun to open. The more I open them, you just think about the prices relative to one another. You think, unless the supply is literally crazy, impossibly high crazy, you'd think the price of these would probably be going up from where it is right now, I want to say, but who knows? And we got these 10 Celebrations packs that I will gently shuffle a little bit. Celebrations pack number 1 during the power outage. Because my street literally always gets power outages. Dialga. Palkia. There we go. Eek! Cleffa! We got a Cleffa. A little off left to right. Centering top to bottom. Decent. Nice. Oh, and Zamazenta V. Nice. 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 Guess we'll bring out some sleeves for that. For this little baby Pokemon. We want to protect it. It's baby. We don't want it to get hurt. Put the Greninja up top. Zamazenta V. There's a Celebrations code. More celebrations. Keep on celebrating. Alright, Dialga. That means Palkia. Next. Xerneas. Oh! Yes! 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 Finally! Finally! Yes! Yes! Oh. And the Surfer Pikachu. It's the icing on the cake. Hopefully you got that code. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Finally pulling the Venusaur. And it looks pretty good. A little off right to left. So. Oh, yes, yes, yes. So as a kid, pulled the Charizard. My brother had the Blastoise, and I don't think we ever pulled the Venusaur. Where are my top loaders there? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Sweet. Alright. Maybe now I'll be satisfied with the Celebrations. Yeah. But, alright, let's look at this. Let's look at this. Okay, sweet. Oh yeah, we got more packs. Right. This is a Pokemon pack opening, not a staring at your first Venusaur. Alright, we got a Palkia. Dialga? No, Cosmo. What? 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 Nice. Nice. Okay. We got the Venusaur, now we got the Blastoise. Okay. Okay. Nice, nice. There we go. That's a pretty good ETB so far. Okay. Alright, alright. Jeez. Alright, Stoutland, you'll have to hold them up. Oh yeah, we got some more Celebrations packs, so let's see how these go. So we got the Kyogre, Yveltal, Xerneas. I suppose every pack couldn't be a hit. Okay, we'll get the Pikachu though. Curious how the condition is in this. Oh, we forgot to. Curious how the condition is on this. It actually a little silvering-ish on the top, kinda. Alright, it's hard to tell with my current lighting setup, but. Ah. Let's see. Let's do this. There we go. There we go. There we go. Just a power outage kinda opening, you know? Just piecing it together as we go. Groudon. Kyogre. And Xerneas. And a Solgaleo. That's what I meant to do. I meant to add Surfing Pikachu to the party. Forgot to add him in earlier. Cosmog, Zekrom, and a Rocket Zapdos. Alright. That's pretty much what it's like outside my house. This might literally be what's happening outside my house. I'm not 100% sure, but all right. All these are off a little bit from left to right, which is interesting. They're all sort of got the same sort of thing going on. Let's see. You can go there. You can go there. Got more celebrations. Still celebrating. Still a 25th anniversary year. Yeah, let's do. Oh, I think I revealed the Mew there. Might be. It's a Mew at the end. So we kind of did the pack trick, I guess. Palkia. Reshiram, and the Cosmo. Got an Yveltal. Got the Xerneas. Got the Dialga. And a Flying Pikachu. Okay. Both flying and surfing. Oh, I always forget about this pin. Let's change it to Surfing Pikachu. See what that's all about. Come on, Surf Pikachu. I haven't been wanting to say it, but got the Venusaur, got the Blastoise. The power's out. I'm trying to make the best of my time here. Got the Ho-Oh. Got the Ho-Oh. And we got the Rockets admin. The Rockets admin, okay. Out of all the cards so far, this is definitely off the most left, right. But cool, got a textured card. So that's cool. I guess we'll try to fit this in the view. We got one last pack to live the dream. Or come crashing down to earth and realize fully that the power's out and that I'm really bored. And I opened my sealed Celebrations product. But it was worth it. Got a Venusaur, got the Blastoise. Oh, we got the Ho-Oh in the third slot of Celebrations. And we got a Mew. There's the last code. I mean, I couldn't really ask for the Charizard there. I mean, this pack, the holos actually look pretty decent. I'm not seeing a ton of those silvering and line issues I was seeing on the. This has a little bit of scratchiness in the holo, but what? 5 out of 7 packs had a hit. That's pretty good. 50% of packs, plus we got Flying Pikachu, Surfing Pikachu, and the Full Art Pikachu. The bonus packs had some stuff, so yeah. Very nice, very nice. Okay, well, I will return soon, continue the hunt, and good luck on your openings. I'll see you on the next one.